Now in this video we will see the program based on the maths function, but we have to give the input while we run the program. Like just a program is what program to input a and b value, evaluate and print the value of z from the relation equals to that relation. We have to relation equals to z equals to a square plus b square. This we have to do using, we have to give the input while we run the program, means we have to do using scanner class. Now how we can do this? Just for a while we have to close it. Now first as you already know, first we have to import the java .util.scanner. we have why? Because we have to use the scanner class. Now next we have to create a class, and next after that we have to create a method. Now to take the input, to give the input while we run the program, that time we have to take here two variables. We have to just initialize the values like int a comma b and double r and double to store the values. To store the result we have to take r variable as z variable, and it should be in double data type. Now here the next thing, we have to use the scanner class, scanner space sc equals to new scanner system dot in and system dot out dot println, input a value of a and a equals to sc dot next int, because it's next. Why we have to call this method? It's a method of this scanner class, as you know, or as we have already discussed about this. Next int method we have to call again. Next time we have to next time also input the value of b, it will ask. So we have to b equals to sc dot next int. Sc is the object of this scanner class. Sc dot next int. Why? Because it is this variable data type is int, so we have to call next int method. Now we have to do the calculation. How we can do this? R equals to math dot power a comma 2 to the square we have to do, and again plus math dot power 2 to the square. So after that, whatever the result will come, it will take again, it will do the sq, it will square that value using the math.sqrt function. It will square that value, and after that it will give you the input, give you the output in the output screen, and it is going to store in z variable. How we can do this? Just see, first we have to add the power a square and b square power, and after that whatever the calculation will come, it will going to store in r variable, and next whatever the result will come, again it will do the means square that values and store in z variable. So z variable will see in the output. Now next we have to do, as you already know, next we have to do the compilation, and after that we have to call that method. We have to create. Now here we can call that method. What is the method name? Demo. So we have to call it. Now this time, as you can see, this will ask. Here we have to give the input like 6. We have to give the input of a, and next time when we press the enter key, again we will ask the value of a, b. So b value I have given the input. Now the output will come 9.2.1. When you do the calculation, means the s square, it will come 9.2195. like this it will come as an input. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you.